Cold storage is essential for keeping fruits fresh during transport and storage. It prevents spoilage and reduces bacterial growth. Different fruits require specific temperature and humidity settings. They are categorized into tropical, subtropical, and temperate types, and should never be mixed in storage. Common cold storage types include fresh keeping, controlled atmosphere, and quick freezing cold rooms. Each varies in cost and storage duration. Always pre-cool fruit before storage, and avoid mixing different kinds to maintain quality and extend shelf life.